This video shows how to create a LED blinking program by using the compare match timer in Smart Configurator. This demonstration used target board, Renesas starter kit plus 4 Rx65 and 2 MB. Emulator, E2 Lite. Connect the board to computer via E2 Lite. In this example, LED 2 will be configured to blink every 500 milliseconds. The components ports and compare match timer will be configured as shown to blink the LED 2. The eSquare Studio IDE is used for this demonstration. You can refer to this video for installation steps. There are 3 parts in this video. First, create a Smart Configurator project. In eSquare Studio, open the new C++ project dialog. Select Renesas RX, Renesas CCRXC, C++ executable project. Enter the project name. Set the toolchain version. Select the target board as RSK-RX65 and 2 MB. Create hardware debug configuration for E2 Lite, Rx. Ensure that Use Smart Configurator is checked and click Finish. Project is created successfully. Next, add and configure the components. In Smart Configurator, select the Components tab. Click the Add Component button. Select Compare Match Timer and ports in the component list. Select CMT0 as resource. Click Finish. In the Configure panel of Config CMT0, set count clock setting as PCLK/512. Set the interval value to 500 milliseconds to configure toggling LED 2 time. Enable Compare Match Interrupt to trigger the event at every 500 milliseconds. In the Configure panel of Config Port, select Port Selection tab and check Port G checkbox. Select Port G tab. Change PG6 to Out and check the Output 1 checkbox to set LED 2 to off status initially. Click the Generate Code button. Code generation is successful will be shown at the console window. Lastly, add user code and run the project. Open R, CG, userdefine.h, define macros for LED 2. Open config CMT0 user.c. In the CMT0 interrupt process add code to toggle LED 2. Open the file containing main function. Start CMT0 in main function and add a while loop. Build the project. Project will be built successfully. Open Debug Configuration dialog. Select CMT Demo Hardware Debug. On the right panel, set the information of the debug configuration as shown. Click Debug to start the debug session. Click Resume button to continue the program. On the board, observe that LED 2 is blinking every 500 milliseconds when program is running.